नेक्स्ट जो आपका पार्ट है इट्स ऑन स्लाइड पोटेंशियोमीटर राइट. And if you can observe the circuit, all we would be doing again will be somewhat like this, right? आपने -5 और +5 वोल्ट्स के दरमियान में you are connecting your potential, actually your supply voltage, right? C को you will be giving your -5, yeah, if you want to flip it's fine, right? If you want to give it a +5 and A a -5, that's also fine, right? And B को आप with your digital multimeter voltmeter connect करेंगे, right? Or if you want to flip it and if you want to give it a -5 and this terminal को आप +5 दें, it's also fine, right? So the connection is somewhat like this. You are actually giving a voltage of 10 total. If you find the difference and find out total applied voltage difference, तो आपको बनेगा potential difference of 10 volts, right? So 10 volts is applied to your resistor and you are connecting a digital multimeter जो उसको actually observe करेगा as it is, because your lower scale is not this time 0 volts, right? So आपका similarly आपका जो digital multimeter है वो read करेगा potentials from +5 to -5, right? So let's try it. And I am disconnecting the previous connections. I will be taking, it's also simple one, right? आपने लेना है your +5 volts and you will be connecting your +5 volts with your slide potentiometer, right? I've taken my +5 volts from here and connecting it with C terminal of my slide potentiometer, right? इसी तरह -5 will be connected with my A terminal, right? और क्या करना था, डिजिटल मल्टीमीटर को कनेक्ट करना था. So for that take your B terminal and connect it across your positive side of your digital multimeter. That's your digital multimeter, right? So positive side of your digital multimeter, right? And इसी तरह I am taking my negative terminal and grounding it, right? So negative is grounded. So this is your circuit of slide potentiometer so far. Acha, your voltage would be between as I said -5 volts to +5 volts. Presently if you can see it's on 10, ठीक है. If you want to go into the details कि आपका slide potentiometer function किस तरह करता है, go through the theory part, right? Because it will make you clear about the theory and then you will easily understand the जो आपके lab part है, right? So presently because the value is on 10 volts, right? 10 kilo ohms, maximum rated value is 10 kilo ohms, right? So I'm decreasing it to 9 and you can see the value is changed to -4.7, right? Decreasing it more to 8 and the value is changed to -3.6, right? When I've changed it to 7, my value on digital voltmeter is -2.3, then it is -1, right? And at midpoint it is 0, right? Because थोड़ी सी वैल्यू ऊपर है 0 से, but exactly mid पे आपका 0 बन रहा है, right? I'm moving toward the other side now. You can see it's positive 0.3, right? My slide potentiometer is value is 5 kilo on 5 kilo ohms, right? I'm moving toward 4 and the value is 1.5 volts. 3 kilo के लिए it's 2.7, right? For 2 it's 4.2, right? And for 1 it's nearly 5, right? So you can see कि किस तरह you can vary your voltage with the help of a potentiometer, right? So this was the second part of your lab. You are actually plotting the graph, right? आपने इसमें करना ये होता है कि you plot the graph in somewhat this way, ठीक है? Which should be linear, right? Because आपकी जो control knob values हैं slide potentiometer की, that should be rising or declining in a linear fashion, right? Now it's fine अगर आप इसको इस तरह ड्रॉ करते हैं या डिक्रीजिंग में ड्रॉ करते हैं, डिपेंड्स ऑन द वोल्टेज यू आर कनेक्टिंग. इफ़ यू आर फ्लिपिंग इट, आपकी रीडिंग्स जो हैं अकॉर्डिंगली आइदर फ्रॉम राइज टू डिक्लाइन आएंगी या फिर फ्रॉम डिक्रीज टू इंक्रीजिंग साइड जाएंगी, ठीक है? ओके, द लास्ट वन इज, this is your last slide potentiometer circuit. You can see आपने यहाँ पर 12 वोल्ट को कनेक्ट किया है, राइट, C and A के बीच में, राइट, इट्स पॉजिटिव 12 volts. Then you are taking a part of it with the help of another slide potentiometer. B terminal को you are connecting to another slide potentiometer, right, 100 kilo ohms का जो potentiometer है, but in such a fashion कि its value is fixed, right, you are taking it as a load, right, 100